My name is Mekdelawit Zergaw, and I am majoring in cognitive science and psychology, and I also have a minor in computer science. I was initially a psychology major, but then I decided to change it to cognitive science because I saw that it had just encompassed everything that I was interested in. It had some sort of biology, computer science, philosophy, and psychology, so I just thought that it would be really great for graduate school, but then it was also just something that was really good for all of the things that I was interested in. Some career paths, technically cognitive science students can pursue careers in any of the four major concentrations, but I would say UX designer or UX researcher is a really good thing if one is interested in computer science. I personally would love to go into neuroscience, so that's kind of why I chose my major as well. So neuroscience is one. Any sort of psychology jobs, it's really good for grad school as well since it's very interdisciplinary. It has both the theory and the practical applications of most of the classes that you're taking, so I think a lot of diverse opportunities are available. Yes, I would say that my perception of my major completely changed because going into it, I had spoken to the faculty members that were in the major, and I was really confused of how all of the classes that I would be taking would be tying into this cognition and just how the interdisciplinary aspect of it would work, because it was surface level when I saw it. It was computer science, biology, philosophy. It didn't really seem to match. Now that I'm a senior, I saw that it really matched in all of the classes that I had taken, taught me the theoretical aspects of cognitive science, or just showed me the application of the things that I was learning in the other classes. So it really tied into everything that I was learning, and I got this big picture idea of cognition and cognitive science in general. So I really liked that everything, like the interdisciplinary aspect of it, was really good. To be successful in cognitive science, I think that critical thinking skills or analytical thinking skills are really, really needed. I also think that engaging in research, just being engaged in any form of research, it could be the URS, URC, or speaking to professors, gaining some research skills, and just applying what you're learning in some sort of research, some sort of just academic and field work. It could be field experience as well. That could be really good. So just gaining practical work experiences, critical thinking skills, and just something like that, I would say. I wouldn't really know about challenges, but I would say in most of my classes we discuss about just ethical considerations. So since cognitive science is also sort of new and there's a lot of developments that are happening, just innovative things, especially in the computer science, machine learning, AI aspect of it. There's ethical considerations of the things that are being invented. Even here, even now, we see things with just AI being really ethically concerning for some people. So just something like that, I would say. For me, the most exciting part of it is just practically applying the things that I'm learning. So, like I mentioned before, the things that I'm learning, for example, in my biology classes or my philosophy classes, I can practically apply them in computer science classes, which was a shock to me. The things that I've been seeing theoretically, when I can apply them and see them in a real world manner, or when I can apply them when I'm doing research, it's just really exciting because I get to see both worlds when I'm just studying my undergrad. So yeah, for experiences, I did do some experiences like my field experience work I completed around my sophomore year and junior year. I worked at an autism center, and it was really strengthening and just enriching the experiences that I had theoretically learned in my psychology classes. I also did research with the URC. I completed the RAP program, and my mentor actually let me choose a topic that I was interested in, and I got to study about about services, challenges and opportunities for children who are affected with autism spectrum disorder. That's actually the career that I wanted to go in. So I wanted to do neuroscience work related to ASD. I'm in a research team with Dr. Steiner, psychology professor here on campus, and we're doing work with EEG and electrophysiology, which is really good. It ties in my biology knowledge and my computer science knowledge as well as my psychology knowledge that I've been learning. So that's really good. And I was also involved in Cognitive Science Club, which is a really great club. Yeah, and just experiences like that, I would say.